Okay, I'm out here in the smoke shack.
Boy,
Dave's smoking. It's late. It's late. You're gonna be up late.
the old temps up here. I got the
Okay, let me see
doing
what you
some
got.
beef ribs.
Beef ribs.
So they're looking pretty good. I'm starting to spritz them here.
Awesome. Good. You got a good bark going on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep
those look
spritzing them
good.
here.
Beef ribs.
They're looking pretty good.
Looks good. Let me see your fire over there. And then I'll leave you alone.
That's the old pecan
Oh,
one.
it feels so good over here. Oh, love it.
Yeah, got my wood up here to
good. Yeah,
keep
get
it
it
good and hot and
good, hot and
keep
dry.
it dry.
Yeah. Good, Dave.
All right,
It's looking great.
my test run here.
I'm not staying up to 2 a.m. with you.
Well, it'll probably be about 1.
Okay.
We got